Okay, we're going to show the emergency operation features on the X18. This is for emergency override if something were to happen to your remote control, or if you had someone stuck in the basket who needed help down. So we are going to bypass our valves so we can use the lower controls at the chassis. These are going to be our boom controls, which are labeled here. We can see all the different controls. On the other side of the chassis is our crawlers and our outriggers, but our main thing is to get this boom section down. So we're going to operate on this. When we go to do our valve bypass, we are going to have the power off at that time. Right underneath the chassis, on this side, the same side as your boom functions, we see our bypass valve. This is currently in the open position. We're going to turn it clockwise until this valve is closed. Now, when we use our bypass functions, we don't want so much flow through here, so we're going to turn down our proportional valve. Right now it's all the way open. We're going to turn clockwise till it's completely closed. Once that's closed, depending on our power source, we're going to open it back up just a little. For electric power, I'm going to go about a half turn. If I was using a gas or diesel motor, I'd probably just start with about a quarter turn. So we're going to do about a half turn for our electric power. Now that I've done that, I can power up the machine. I'm using the auxiliary electric AC power to engage the AC motor. And we want to use a tool to depress in these specific valves. An Allen wrench is a good tool. We just want to make sure it fits inside. So again, I can correlate which function I want to do with my labels. So let's start with the lower boom. And now that's coming down. We can look over here. I've got my jib boom. And now that's lowering. So we can engage these and use any power source. So if we use, like I said, our fuel motor, our electric motor, or a battery, if you have a lithium battery on your machine, you can use that. And of course, if you had to, you can use the hand pump as well. So you'd be hand pumping while holding down your specific valve to lower that down. Now, one really important thing about this is once we're finished, we want to restore everything so it functions properly. So I'm going to open the proportional valve back up once I power down the machine, and I'm going to close my bypass valve underneath the chassis.